welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you guys some more single serve desserts that are really delicious, like healthy dessert recipes you can make. You guys love my single serve dessert videos, so I will leave the latest ones down in the description in case you didn't see the ones beforehand. But I'm back with 3 more that are super delicious. We have a low sugar keto friendly chocolate ice cream, we have strawberry cake, and we have a delicious like almond butter mousse pudding type thing. They're all super quick to make as well, which is key. So let's go ahead and jump in. So the first thing we're making is this strawberry cake. You're gonna need 1 egg. I haven't tried this with a flax egg, but if you do and it works, definitely let me know. I'm adding in a little bit of vanilla for flavor, as well as some coconut oil, which keeps it really nice and moist, and also adds some great healthy fats to this cake, which makes it satisfying and, like I said, moist. A little bit of coconut sugar for sweetness, some almond flour, which is rich in vitamin E and protein, some baking powder to help make it nice and fluffy, and then we are just going to whisk that all together until our batter is nice and smooth. And then I am going to chop up 3 strawberries. Strawberries are definitely something that you want to buy organic. So they are part of the Dirty Dozen, which are the top 12, dirty vegetables that are found with the most pesticides, fruits and vegetables really. And strawberries are number 1 on the list, meaning they have the most pesticide residue. So if you can buy anything organic, I definitely would recommend buying strawberries organic. And you can also use a chopped frozen strawberry here as well if that's what you have on hand. So either fresh or frozen will work. Add that to your batter, stir it up, and then I'm putting it into a greased ramekin to put in the oven at 350 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. I always prefer trying to do things in the oven as opposed to the microwave, but you can probably do this in the microwave as well. I would start at 1 minute and kind of see from there how long it would take, but it's super fluffy. It's kind of like a vanilla cupcake with a little bit of strawberry, perfect for summer. And next we are making a chocolate soft serve. So for this, I'm using a base of cauliflower. I did have a request for a keto friendly low carb chocolate ice cream, so this is what we're making. A little bit of vanilla for flavor, some cacao, which is loaded with antioxidants. It's high in magnesium. It's so good for you, especially raw, so I love it in this recipe. A couple tablespoons of coconut cream, which is the thick part of the coconut milk in a can, and a tablespoon of almond butter. All you have to do is blend it up until it's nice and smooth, and the creaminess of the coconut cream along with the almond butter and the cacao tastes amazing. You don't even taste the cauliflower, and this is a great option if you are trying to do low sugar, low carb, keto, and things like that. If you're not, you can definitely take out some of the cauliflower for frozen banana or just use frozen bananas if you wish. But this is honestly so delicious and you don't even miss the sugar. And then we're making this quick nut butter pudding. So I'm using the rest of the coconut cream from the can, so about a half a cup, adding in a tablespoon of almond butter, but you can do any kind of nut or seed butter that you like, both in here and in the chocolate soft serve. A little bit of vanilla, and then I am just beating that with my electric hand mixer, but you can also do this in the blender or any kind of food processor until it is nice and smooth. Once it is smooth and fluffy, you can go ahead, put it into your bowl, and then I am just going to sprinkle a few dairy-free, sugar-free chocolate chips on the side. So it's so easy to make. You can blend it together in less than a minute, and it makes a great single-serve healthy dessert that is tasty. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to leave my free healthy dessert ebook right here that has my top healthy desserts from over the years that I keep coming back to. I literally have this book on my phone and I pull up my own ebook to make desserts all the time. So make sure to grab that because it's free and they all taste super delicious. I'm also going to leave the last healthy dessert video here on the screen in case you want more healthy desserts that of course taste good and are good for you. I hope you guys are all having a great day and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.